Hello dear students. In previous video we have studied about angles. In that we have studied acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Yes, no? And now we are going to study about circle. So children, we will see some examples of circle. Okay? Now children, look at this picture. What is name of this picture? Yes, this is picture of a cartwheel and it is in circular shape. Yes, no? Now this is picture of clock. This clock also in circular shape. Now children, this is picture of bangle. Now this bangle also circular in shape. Now next picture is of plate. This plate also circular in shape. Now look at this picture. This is picture of bicycle wheel. This bicycle wheel also circular in shape. So children, how can we define circle? Yes, circle is a closed figure which is made up of only one curved line.
Now students, next we are going to study what is the center of the circle, radius of the circle, diameter of the circle and chord of the circle. So let us start our study. Now children, here we are going to do activity. Through that activity, we can understand these all concepts. Okay, so let us start. Now children, take a piece of paper and a bowl. Now children, I am going to keep this bowl on this piece of paper. See, I have kept like this. Okay, now we are going to trace its outline. With the help of pencil, I am tracing here. Now children, I am removing this bowl. Now after removing bowl, the figure which we get here on the piece of paper, yes, it is a circle. Understood? Now children, take 2 or 3 papers and draw circle on it and cut out it in circular shape. Okay. So children, cut out piece of papers in circular shape like this. Okay. Now children, take one of these shape and fold it little bit like this. And here we can see line is formed. Yes, no? Now trace the line of the fold with the pencil. See here. So children, here folded part we have traced with pencil and here we get a line. So this line is called a chord of the circle. Understood children? This line we called chord of the circle. Similarly, we can fold it from down also. See here, I have folded. Now draw line on that folded part. See here. Here also the line which we gave we called chord of the circle. So children, I am writing here with pen. chord. So this line what we call? Chord of the circle. Similarly, here also I am writing chord. Understood, children? What is the chord of the circle? Now children, take another piece of paper and fold this circular shape to divide into two equal halves. See here, I have folded so that it is divided into two equal halves. See this? Now children, trace the line of the fold with the pencil. Now children, as we can see, it is divided into two equal halves, no? And here we get a line. So this line we called it diameter of the circle. Understood, children? What is the diameter of the circle? After divided it into two equal halves, we get a line. That line we are calling what? Diameter of the circle. Okay, understood? So children, here you can write with the pen diameter. Okay. So children, this diameter is also a chord of the circle. Understood? Now children, here I am taking another piece of paper. Now this paper I am folding and I am dividing it into two equal halves as we have done for diameter, no? Same like that. Now again I am folding this so that here we can see quarter part of the shape of the circle. Yes, no? This part we called quarter part. Now again unfold this paper. See? Here we can see two lines are formed, no? So children, here I have traced the lines of folds with the pencil. Now, so children, here these two lines they are meeting at a point. See here, through this point, these two lines are passes, no? They are meeting each other. So children, this point is the center of the circle. Understood, children? So children, understood what is the center of the circle? Now we will write center. So this part is a center of the circle. So children, we can draw many lines through this center of the circle. See here, I have drawn another line. From here also I am drawing line. So children, now you understood what is the center of the circle? These all lines they are meeting at this point, no? So this point is a center of the circle. Now children, here I have taken another piece of paper and this paper also I am folding and dividing it into two equal halves. Again I am folding this. So this is a quarter part of the circle. Now unfold this. So here point which we get is, yes, it is a center of the circle. Now children, we are going to give name to this center of the circle. So any capital letter of alphabet we can use. So I am writing here capital M. Okay. Now children, take any point P outside the circle. So here I am writing point P. Now children, draw the line MP with the ruler. Means from here to here we are going to draw a line. So draw. Now children, here we get a line MP, and this line MP we call radius of the circle. Understood children? What is the radius of the circle? We have drawn it from center to outside of the circle. We have drawn a line. Yes, no? So this line we call radius of the circle. Write it radius. Now children, you understood what is the chord of the circle, diameter of the circle, center of the circle and radius of the circle. This activity you have to do at home. Okay. Now children, next we are going to study drawing a circle using compass. Now children, before going to draw a circle, we will see what is a compass. Okay. So children, this is a compass. So children, this is a geometrical instrument which is used to draw for circles. Okay, understood? Now children, this is a steel tip of compass. Children, here we can place pencil and through this part we can adjust pencil. See here, we can rotate it. Now children, whenever you are placing pencil, that time this steel tip and this tip of pencil both should be equal. Okay. So now we are going to fix this. See, I have fixed. Now it is movable. See here, we can take any measure and we can draw circle. Okay. Now children, on this page we are going to draw a circle. So children, first choose any point on your page. See here, I am choosing point over here. Now children, next take suitable distance between the steel tip and the tip of the pencil. Now place the steel tip on chosen point. Here we have chosen the point. So place on it. Now hold it in the place and turn the pencil. See here. Turn the pencil around it and trace the circle. See here, I have traced a circle. Now as we have kept steel tip over here, so here the point which we get, mark with red pen. See here, I have marked. Now children, this point what we call? Yes, it is center of the circle. Now children, here I am drawing a line which passing through this point. See here, this is one line and another one line also I am drawing. And now children, these two lines, what we called? Yes, they are diameter of the circle. Now understood how to draw a circle using compass.